Good morning to everyone. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Roman numerals. Now we use numerals to write numbers and like 0, 1, 2, 3, like up to 9 or some other also. But sometimes we use Roman numerals like I, V. So where do we see all these Roman numerals? We see on clock faces, on outside classroom, or mentioning the rulers also mention like that. So we are going to study all these Roman numerals. So we are going to follow some rules also, certain rules also. So let's begin it. See children, there is no symbol or digit in zero in your Roman numeral system. This system has no place value system, and the digits or digits of lower value is or are placed after or before the digit of higher value, and the value of digit of lower value is added or subtracted from the value of digit of higher value. There is no way to calculate fractions in Roman numerals. Now you see here most common Roman numerals are 1, which we write as I, 5 we write in the form of V, 10 we write in the form of X, 50 we write as L, 100 we write as C, 500 we write it as D, and 1000 we write as M in Roman numerals. Now we are going to talk about rules of Roman numerals. Now children, see above symbols are written and below it is Hindu Arabic numerals is written. Now, I means 1, B means 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. Now, first rule is numerals of the same values are added. That means the numerals I, X, C and M. Now, these are special. Only they can be placed together and they are repeated in a row, and only they can be subtracted or added, and it can be repeated in a row up to 3 times to form large numbers. Okay, so the values of these repeated numerals gets added. Like if I say x x x, that means 3 times I am saying x, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Now second rule is a symbol of smaller value put on the right of greater value symbol is added to it. This means a smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. Like if I say VII, that means V means 5, I that means 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. So you will add it. Okay. Now third rule is a symbol of smaller value put on the left of greater value symbol is subtracted from it. That means a smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right, and you can subtract only once from a numeral. Like if I say Ix, x is greater, it is on the right side, smaller numeral is, or smaller number is written on the left side, that is I. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So the value of Ix is 9. Now fourth rule is a symbol of smaller value put between two symbols of greater value is subtracted from the symbol on its right. This means a smaller numeral between two greater numerals gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Like this, if I say XIV, now X means 10, V means 5, I means 1. Now X and V, that you will add it, that means 10 plus 5. And the smaller number is in between this, that is I, that means 1. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 minus 1 is 14. So the value of XIV is 14. And to change the into Roman numerals, change the tens and ones separately. I am here going to explain some basic rules with examples. See the first one. Roman numerals read from left to right. That means larger values to the left and work to the smaller values on the right. Now you can see here CV. Now CV means what? C means 100, V means 5. Now 100 plus 5 is 105. So left to right, children, you are following. Okay. Then the second is a symbol can be repeated up to 3 times. That means like I, X, C, and M. They can be repeated up to 3 times. We did not repeat V, L, and D. Okay, so you can see here I 3 times is written 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Then X also the same way, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Only I, X, C, M can be repeated, not V, L, and D. Okay. So here also with example you can see here X is written 3 times, so that is means 30. I, if it is written 3 times, it is means 3. But 50 is written as L. It is not written. XX is not written 5 times. That will be wrong. 400 will write CD. That is right. But if you are writing 4 times C, that is wrong. Only 3 times you can repeat it. So this is the rule. Now the rule, if a lesser symbol is before a greater symbol, okay, that means towards the left side, the lesser is subtracted from the greater. Now here, as I told earlier also, you can see here with the example IV. So it is before the greater symbol. That I value is 1, 5 is greater as B's value is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So IV means 4. Same way XC. C means 100. X means 10. So lesser value is 10, that is X. So 100 minus 10 is what? 90. Now you have to subtract. Then M value is what? 1000 and C means 100. 1000 minus 100 will be 900. So CM value is 900. Now, if a lesser symbol is after a greater symbol, the two values are added. Okay. Now, see here, VI, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. L, X, 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 as it can be repeated up to 3 times only. X, I, V, M, no, I, X, and this one, C and M. So, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that means 80. MCC, that means 1000 plus 100 plus 100, that will be 1200. So you can add it. It is after a greater symbol or towards the right of it. You can see more examples. 13C children, how it is written. X means 10. 3. That is I is repeated 3 times. So 3. So I means 3. So 10 plus 3 will be 13 as it is towards the right. Towards the right of the greater number. 19 also children like this only. X value is 10 and Ix value is 9. Or the other way is that a smaller numeral between two greater numbers gets subtracted from the numeral on its right. Now you can see here X and X. In between an I is there, that is a smaller one. So X and X means 10 plus 10, that is 20. And I is in between, so that you will subtract. So 1, so 20 minus 1 is 19. Now see the another one, 26. So 26xx, that means 20, and 6 means vi. So that is 5 plus 1. So 10 plus 10 is 20. V means 5, 1 and I is written as 1. So add up all, you will get 26. 51. Now 50 means L and 1. I means 1, so 50 plus 1 is 51. So Li will be written as. Same way children, other numbers 67. That is LXVII. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 and 7 you know how to write it. So that way you will write it. Then 98 XCVIII. XC means 100 minus 10, that is 90, and 8 is written as VIIA. So that is 98. Now it's a time to get homework children. So in your copy you write 1 to 20 in Roman numerals. So children, in today's module we learned that to memorize the basic symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I is the value of 1, V is the value of 5, X is the value of having 10, L is the value having 50, C is the value having 100, and D 500, and M 1000. Okay. Now I, X, C, M can be repeated up to 3 times. Also we learned smaller value symbols that come after valued ones are added. Then smaller valued symbols that comes before larger values are subtracted. So children, in this way you have to remember or memorize, and tomorrow we are going to do exercise 3A. With this, thank you.